Hey, welcome back to The Average Kitchen. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make an amazing homemade guacamole. Hey, welcome back. Mark here with a C. Today, I'm gonna do a very quick, beautiful guacamole. I've got an avocado that I already split here, and I'm gonna do a second one with this new avocado tool that I got. I've got some onion, 2 Roma tomatoes, some garlic, some lime juice, sour cream. So let's get going on it. So, new, very, very inexpensive piece of kit in The Average Kitchen here, avocado tool. So you can see how it just flies through that avocado. We'll pop that open. And it's got this little pit remover. Come on. That should have only taken one try, but it didn't. And that's why we're The Average Kitchen.
Still worked.
Still worked. So it's got this little fan tool on it. I tried it here. It just does an okay job for me. So I'm just going to use a spoon. I think it's way quicker. We'll spoon out this monster avocado. We'll put that aside. And now we're going to work on our Roma tomatoes. So what I normally do is just quarter them. And then for the purpose of this recipe with guacamole, I just remove the seeds so that it doesn't make our guacamole kind of liquidy. Liquidy, is that a word? I can say liquidy, can I? So then I will just take those, slice those in half like that, and then we'll sort of just chunk them up. And we'll do that for these 2 tomatoes. I'm sure Jamie will play some music, or maybe he'll just fast forward through this part, because as much as people love watching me slice tomatoes, it's not overly exciting. Now, any kind of tomatoes would do, but I find Romas really hold up in salsas and dips, and used it in the cowboy caviar. You should check out that video. Really, really nice party dip to have with friends and family. All right, so we're gonna get our tomato in with our guac. You'll see I pulled the pit out there. Little trick to that is helps your avocado from turning brown, as well as some lime juice will do the same. Just gotta give my hands a wash. All right, we're all cleaned up here. I did make a little bit of a misstep. I should have smushed some of my avocado before I put the tomato in, but I was able to work through it. Some people like a really, really smooth guacamole, and they would throw that in a blender or a food processor. This one's gonna be a little bit chunkier. So I've got some red onion here that we're gonna put in. And again, that's gonna be sort of to your level of what you like, because obviously it is raw onion. So we'll just continue to mix here our onion in. And I'm gonna put a tablespoon of garlic in with this guac. So you could use and slice fresh garlic if you have, or this stuff I find saves a lot of time, this minced garlic. Really, really, really handy. And we'll put in probably a tablespoon of lime juice. If you're lucky enough to have fresh lime at your house, which I don't right now, that would be great. And maybe we'll do 2 tablespoons lime juice. And then we're gonna put in a tablespoon of sour cream, and that's just gonna help with our creaminess of our guacamole as well. And we'll have a look and see how this mixes up. So I think it's looking awesome. So now we're just gonna add some salt and pepper. So that's well mixed. You can see it's nice and creamy, but still has some chunks of our tomato and onion. And there you have it. That's your quick, fresh guacamole. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, check out some of our other videos, and we'll see you on the next one.